In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change your Jotform username. Whether you're rebranding or just feel like a fresh start, updating your username can be quick and easy. And I'm here to walk you through the process step by step. Let's dive right in. First things first, you'll need to head over to jotform.com. Once you're there, log in using your existing credentials. If you haven't been on the site for a while, Jotform might have updated its look, but don't worry, it's still quite intuitive and user-friendly. Your personal workspace will automatically load after you've signed in. Now that you're in your My Workspace page, direct your attention to the upper right corner of the screen. There, you'll notice a little avatar or profile picture. Go ahead and click on that. This is essentially your gateway to managing your account from anywhere within Jotform's platform, making it really accessible for frequent updates or profile changes. Clicking on your avatar will reveal a drop-down menu. From this menu, you'll want to select Settings. Clicking this will take you straight to your settings page where all your account details reside. It's worth noting that here you can also change other personal settings, so feel free to explore a bit after we change your username. Once you're on your settings page, look to the menu on the left hand side. You'll see several tabs. What you want to find is the Account tab. This is where several crucial options concerning your account can be managed. Clicking it will open your account settings page, which is where we want to be. Now you're at the right spot. Look for the section that says username. Beside your current username, on the right you should see an option to edit. By clicking on this edit button, you'll be given the ability to enter a new username. As you think about your new username, it might be handy to keep in mind any new branding or personal preferences that led you to decide to change it in the first place. Once you've decided on the perfect username, simply type in your new chosen name. Then the final step, click save. This confirms the change to your account. And there you have it, your username is officially updated. Changing your Jotform username is as simple as that. By following these steps, you can manage your identity on the platform quickly and efficiently. If at any point you want to make this change again, just come back and follow the same straightforward steps. Thanks for watching, and I hope you found this tutorial helpful. If you did, feel free to check out our other guides for more tips and tricks.